Alright, this is a little project that I made for my hot tub. It's a hot tub temperature monitor. I'm not concerned about actually knowing the temperature inside the house of the hot temperatures of the hot tub from within the house. I just want an alarm to let me know when the temperature gets below 60 degrees. You know, here in New Hampshire, we have to worry about the hot tubs freezing in the winter. And that's when I use my hot tub the most. So if I lose power or something goes wrong, I want a backup system that lets me know that the hot tub temperature is lower than I ever expected. So all this does is it makes a beeping sound to alert me inside the house. And what I have here is a Adafruit Gemma controller board, and I've glued a little transistor and a resistor there right on the board to drive the buzzer. And this is just a phono plug that I plugged in. This wire goes out, 3 wires out to the hot tub, and I'll show you that in a minute. And in the hot tub is a sensor. It's a TMP36GT9Z temperature sensor, and it outputs an analog voltage based on temperature. And I bring that into the Gemma here, and then what I do is I flash the dot star LED. As you know, the Gemma and the Trinket has a little LED, multi-color LED called the dot star built right in, and you can control the color of that. And I'm going to blink it green to let me know the temperature value. I'm going to pulse out values, not that I really need it, and I just use that as a backup. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to try to do this one-handed, is I don't normally have this powered up all the time, so I'm going to use my little USB charger, and I'm going to try to plug that in here. Put this down. And we're going to plug that right in. There we go. And the LED lights for a few seconds, and the buzzer goes off, and we're going to watch 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The pool temperature is 99 degrees, and then it flashes again. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I use that like in an automotive check engine light. When the mechanic wants to see codes, they can short a pin inside the car and it'll start blinking. That's where I got the idea. I can blink any value. Here I'm blinking the value of 99. If I get a negative temperature, I rapidly blink the LED very quickly 5 times to indicate negative and then pulse out the values. A 0 is a long pulse. So if it was like 50 degrees, it would be 5 blinks, a short pause, and a long blink, 5, 0. If it was 101 degrees, it would 1 blink, short pause, a long blink, short pause, and a 101, 1 degree, 101 degrees. So that's pretty it. I've got the code for that. If you want it, I can get it to you. Let's go out to the hot tub and I'll show you how the sensor is located out there. Okay, so there's the wire coming down. I haven't really dressed it up yet. But it comes here and it just kind of sits in the hot tub. And I'll pull the wire out. It's right under here. And that's the sensor I talked about. Let's get that in the light where you can see it. Okay. And it's just coated with liquid electrical tape. And it just sits in the water, and it gives me an analog value that I can convert to temperature. Put that back in there. Close up the hot tub. So that's about it. If you like that project, write to me and I'll give you the code for it, and the schematic is very easy.